Strumech Engineering Company is one-stop shop for all engineering solutions. We offer civil, mechanical, and structural engineering. Strumech Engineering Company for all engineering solutions.
Strumech Engineering is one-stop shop for all your requirements. Quick and long-lasting fix is part of its exemplary engineering work. Strumech is working on various projects in Nyeri County. Construction of Ndiriti Aguthi Dam is one of Strumech's projects and indeed a force to reckon with. The work on Ndiriti Aguthi Dam project in Narumoru has surprised many. The dam is well constructed and completed within a short time. Before commissioning Riamkure Irrigation Scheme Phase 3, Strumech held a consultative meeting with the locals. This is one way to get them participate in development through decision making.
This is to satisfy that the contractor, Strumech Engineering and Construction Limited, has been handed over the above side by the employer, that is National Irrigation Board, to carry out the work as stipulated in the contract number NIB T034-2013-2014 to completion and maintenance, dated 9/2014.
I will do exactly like that.
And the reason why we opted to have the engineer or the structural engineer, the contractor, as opposed to people, is because of the depth of the pipes. If you were to do it manually, it will take maybe three times more. But if we use the machinery, then it will be much faster. So, and he has done another phase, and he actually was able to give us work in faster time than what we had given him. So even this one, we expect him to do it the same. And you can see already the pipes have been delivered. I think you saw the pipes as you were coming. So the pipes are already there. Yeah.
Strumech Engineering is proud of doing the projects within the recommended time frames. We do not have a project in the near past which we have done and not fulfilled within the set times. It's on record that we do our jobs very well and within time. Why? Is because we have employed the right people on the ground, we have the right equipment on the ground, and that makes our work very easy.
Strumech Engineering is highly experienced and as a result works in any terrain with ease. The company has since been fitted and awarded contracts even in toughest regions where no one has made an attempt even after being given the tender. Strumech will always take the bull by the horns.
Is true. As you remember, we started the other day. You remember the groundbreaking we had the other day. Now we have progressed very well. This is trenching. It is one of the most challenging trenching we have ever done. You can see the rain. It is inside the forest, down the valleys, but we are sure that we are going to do it. In a few weeks, 1 or 2 weeks, we are sure that we shall finish that. You can see we have got good and very good equipments with our equipment and our staff, operators and our technicians on the ground. we are very well prepared, and we know whichever terrain we come across, we are able to overcome. The project is well in time, depending on when we started, because it was supposed to take 6 months. But so far we have done, we are almost through. We are sure in the next 21 days we shall be over. The secret of doing so fast is being committed, and as I have told you, very good people on the ground, good equipment, our commitment, and our I think in everything we are okay. Like you here, whenever we have got very challenging terrain, when we have very challenging points and issues to tackle, it is always good I come so that I guide the people on how to go about it. You can imagine, you can see the terrain from up, how we have come, uprooting trees, getting the gully, coming over the gully and the river crossing down here. It really requires a lot of supervision. This is one of the best projects that we have ever done. One, it's very challenging. It has got a very bad terrain, but all in all, we have hit it in record time. 4 months out of 6 months. And remember, we have done testing up to the 30 kilometer. So we only have this 1 kilometer, a few meters remaining, and testing all the same. So generally, this is one of our best projects. In the beginning, we thought that it could be simple, but all along we have seen it to be very tough, but we have done it.
Strumech will always take the bull by the horns. Social corporate responsibility is another area Strumech has mastered in. It works hand in hand with the locals to uplift their living standards. Because of existing cordial relationship between the community and Strumech, the locals have wholeheartedly embraced all the projects being erected in their vicinity. As Kenya grapples with unemployment challenges, Strumech strives to help address the problem which is rampant among the youth. It has created various gainful job opportunities for the locals, among other workers. Elsewhere in Murang'a County, Strumech's presence is significantly felt. This great water tank erected at Murang'a University College is part of the shining work of Strumech.
Generally, Strumech Engineering has done a lot of work in terms of water. I think what you have seen from our history is that we have done a lot of projects, water-based projects. As an engineering firm, we have been involved in design, construction, and implementation of such projects. So what there is that this work involved what is called specialized works, because generally a tank of this capacity is a tank that cannot just be generated by just an ordinary person. So what the county water office did was, when they were given the mandate by this university, that the university needed a tank in line with their Vision 2030 objectives, what the county offices did was to come to us and requested us to be one of the bidders who were to bid for this particular project, which we accepted. Our ambition, our motto as Strumech Engineering is to deliver, regardless of the circumstances. We have to deliver. So whenever we start a project, we know that there will be challenges, but all the same, we deliver. The facility is supposed to serve the university, the Murang'a University, with water. So we are talking about Murang'a University. Murang'a University, as they have told us, it is having a population of about 3,000. The university is growing, and as the university grows, we still intend that it will serve, it will give service to the university. 3,000 people being served by a tank of 400,000 liters. I think that is more than sufficient.
Mr. Chairman, you desired to have water, and you desired to have the water from your facility called the tank. This water is coming from the tank. And this day, I'm going to give you what you desired me to give you, and I'm going to give you water, and water in plenty. May you use it for years and years to come.
So that's a good prayer. We can clap. That's the water coming from our tank. And the pressure is good. This is not a Britain. This is a salt. The tanker to open. We have told the tanker to open the water and see the pressure. So this one is just a...
Well, standing behind me here is a water tank built by Strumech Engineering. It's a 400,000 liter tank. It's very well done for now. We believe that it will solve our water problem. But for now, the tank has been filled with water for over 6 months, and it has not shown any visible defects. So we are happy with what Strumech has done, and we believe that we will continue to cooperate them during this defect liability period, so that we end up with a tank that will serve the community of Murang'a University for a long period to come.
The water is treated. Our council members are taking water, hoping that, they are drinking water, hoping that...
Well, Strumech Engineering is not just any brand in matters engineering. This is the engineering company which is widely searched by confident clients and who know their unbeatable engineering solution will live on from one generation to another. Strumech Engineering continues to appreciate your trust and cordial business relationship.
Strumech Engineering Company is one-stop shop for all engineering solutions. We offer civil, mechanical and structural engineering. Contact us on 020-2400-237 or you can email us on info@strumechengineering.com. Strumech Engineering Company for all engineering solutions.